Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cloud Thinking. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Python. And this will be the start of our tutorial series on teaching kids how to program with Python. It's an educational series that I know my child has found very interesting, and I wanted to put it together to help you either teach your child or have your child watch videos, and hopefully it helps them to develop the skill set to program with Python. Programming is a very valuable skill set, teaches critical thinking, just ultimately problem solving, and I hope that you enjoy it or they enjoy it, and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, go ahead and go to Google, and you're going to go to https://www.python.org. All right. Of course, this will take you to the Python site. You're going to go down. You're going to go to Downloads. And you see the latest version is Python 3.7.0. You're going to go ahead and select that. Okay. And once you get to this page, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And you're going to look for whichever file goes with your computer system, whether you have x86 or 64-bit. You're going to choose the file that it should be installed on your computer. Of course, if you have a Mac, then you're going to want to go with one of these. We have Windows, and mine is 64-bit. So I'm going to download this Windows x86-64 executable installer. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, and it's going to save it to a location, usually in your downloads folder. I'm going to go ahead and hit this, open. And it opens this up. So, and we're going to install Python 64-bit. So go ahead and do install now. And of course, I got Windows 10, so my pop-up comes up, and I'm going to hit yes. And now we wait. All right, setup is successful. We'll go ahead and close that. Let's minimize this for now. Well, we should not need to come back to it. And we're going to go and see where it installed. So Python manuals. Idle is going to be the program that you use to execute Python language code as you create it. So let's go ahead and start that. And this is going to come up and load up to a command prompt right here. So this is how programming languages are pretty much keyed out, and this is exactly what you should see. This is going to be the program that you need to have your kids open up when they are ready to start typing code. And so just as a quick test, we're going to go ahead and print one of the most popular test code that it actually exists. Anyone that's ever done coding before, I know that you've heard of this. It's called Hello World. And just to test it out, let's go ahead and type in print. And as you can see, the good thing about this text editor is it'll start giving you some helpful hints and also helping you type as you go. So we're going to open parentheses, do open quotes, and we're going to type in hello, comma, space, world. You want to close your, let's go ahead and put this, close your quotes, close your parentheses, and you will enter. And there you go. And what that all actually does is it just tells it to print hello world, and of course your output was hello world printed on your screen. So this has now been tested, and I hope you find this easy enough to install. If you're going to want to continue on with this series, go ahead and install this and then take a look at the other videos in this series, and I hope you find them helpful. Thank you. Have a good night.